Hi, I'm Cruz. I'd like to review this full view pivot door with y'all. This pivot door is our full view pivot door. What that means is it provides for the maximum view, meaning it's all glass. It has a relatively thin frame, and the door pull is welded directly to the door. As you can see above, there's a very substantial standoff as well as below. This means that it'll never work loose. The door pull, the door, and the door jamb are all powder coated the same color, so everything matches seamlessly. This pivoting door pivots at 1 foot. What that means is that the pivot point is 1 foot in. This is the inactive part of the pivot door, and this is the active part of the pivot door. This door was built using our Builder Series construction. What that means is that the door jamb is 2.5 inches thick and the threshold is flat. Using the Builder Series reduces the cost substantially. The door is unaffected. The door jamb is just made a little differently. If you'd like more information on getting one of these beautiful front doors for your home, please give us a call or fill out the contact form and we'll call you. Thank you.